Hello all, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry Lau, and today we will be looking at the gold's chart. This is a 60 minutes 1 hour chart, and we can see over here what we are looking for is gold to rally, okay, to correct this decline. As you can see, this decline here is in a 3 swings, an A, B, C zigzag A, and then the B is in the form of a triangle, and then you have a C leg, which is a 5 waves. So this A, B, C ended a W of a larger degree, and then now we are looking for a 3 ways rally in the form of another zigzag A, B, C, and then this area potentially can see another leg to the downside. Now we will take a look a little bit more details in gold so that we know and we understand where we are in the bigger picture. All right, so if we look at this daily chart, now I'm not showing a full chart here, just showing the most important level. You can see that this W in blue that I put here is the same as this starting point here, right? This W in blue that we saw earlier in the 1 hour chart. So the current count suggests that the rally from 2018 low, okay, which is $1,160, is unfolding as a WXY. Now this one does look like a 3 swing, no doubt about it, right? 1, 2, 3. So a W, an X, and this is a Y. So we are now calling gold ending this cycle as a 3 swings. All right, and then now is in the process of correcting the cycle, this entire rally, and that's why you got the blue degree here, which is technically is correcting this entire cycle. So the correction should be in 3-7-11 swing, okay, and once that correction is over, we can see gold continue to resume higher again. So despite looking for this move lower here, we need to be aware of a couple of alternates. All right, a couple of alternates. So if we look at the daily here, for example, let's say if we, instead of going lower from here, gold instead breaks above 1300, right? I think this kind of count is a little bit, I don't think it is correct, because this is too shallow to correct this entire move. All right, so if gold does really break to new high, then that suggests that the count needs to be changed, and one possible count in fact is a more aggressive count, which is calling this a 1-2-1-2. So in other words, this 1-2 is a nest, 1-2 1-2 3, and then we are now only with 4, and then we do a 5 to finish these 5 waves from here, right? And then another with 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So that is certainly a possibility, okay, especially if it does break above 1,300. This is a key level right now in gold. If we look at the higher degree time frame here, this is weekly chart. You can see gold has been in this consolidation, right? For I don't know, the past like 5 years or 7 years, right? It's a big consolidation. It's a very big and long consolidation, and with the classical, pattern, this looks like some sort of bottoming process here, inverse head and shoulders, right? This is the neckline. So, and this 1,300 is right around here. This is 2011 peak. So if it does indeed break above 1,300, so again, I think it's going to break out of this consolidation pattern here, and we can continue to go higher, like I said, and it can target this neckline again pretty quickly, which is 1,360, right? And going back here, if we don't get another leg lower over here and continues to break above 1,300 decisively, we can get a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and continues to go higher in an impulsive manner, and maybe hit this target here as a 5 waves. Otherwise, if not, If not, we can continue to go lower again from here, continue to consolidate in here, right? You can see that this is also, there is another trend line here, so that's why I think it's 1300 is significant here. And if not, we can continue to consolidate. Technically this can go lower as much as it wants, like this, right? It can continue to go lower as much as it wants, just like in the weekly. It can continue to consolidate within this big range here, like this, for a long time, right? For many weeks, many months. But gold is kind of in a situation in which we're gonna get decision very soon. It won't get trapped forever, right? But I know this is a weekly chart. It can take months before we got decision time, but that's where we are in the bigger picture in gold. All right, and in the shorter cycle, we are calling this to turn lower from this ABC equal leg as long as it doesn't break above 1,300, right? If it does break above 1,300, then technically I think we can do something else. We can even become, you know, a more bullish and becoming an impulse, like I said, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Okay, so I hope that this is helpful, and if you like this kind of analysis, we always do this kind of analysis in the live trading room, in the live session. You can try our service for 14 days for free. The link is provided there in the video description in the YouTube channel. So see you guys again next time.